Sound check. Hina yung volume ba? Hina yung, mahina yung volume?
Lasing ka lang.
Susok yung ano ko.
Asot na.
Yan.
Hindi
Mo birahin yung itlog ko ba yan?
Hindi yan.
Wala tayong kapitbahay dito.
Susunod pala ang awit ito si Juan.
Galing pang ano.
Master Senpai.
Ang susunod na galing pang
Saka yung pangatlong contestant, ano?
Oo.
Ito pag judge natin.
Loto pa si tatlong contestant.
Si
Kumakain pa. Kumakain
Bersyukoy.
pa. Si Carlo Bersyukoy. Bayramin lang ang malakas.
Kirain na to. Yan.
Just hear you breathe. That's why you're sleeping when you're far away and dreaming. I could be my life, sweet, sweet surrender.
Pwede.
Prank. Sweetest thing I never do is just miss you, babe. And I don't want this to take.
May hindi speaker. Lakasan.
Like last year, feeling you heart better. I'm wondering what you're dreaming. Wondering it's me seeing. Didn't close your eyes and send your breath together. Putang ina, nawala ko sa kayo.
Kaya mo yan. Habol.
Nagpupulol eh. I don't really close my eyes.
Ilabas mo kasi yung
I
speaker ba?
wanna fall asleep, doesn't miss you.
Asa na ba yan?
I do want me to take. Singing with a dream of you. The sweetest dream of
lumalata masisira yung video eh.
Ay, delikado.
Tapos si ba?
Napabasher pa.
Bayad dumaan ka
I
pa.
don't wanna miss one smile. I don't wanna miss one kiss. When I just be with you, we're here with you, just like this.
Yung accident nito ba? Meron ba?
Just wanna hold
Ikaw ba yan?
you
Aerosmith?
Where your heart is so much.
Ikaw ba yan?
I need to see you.
Rodo Smith yan.
Rodo Smith.
Sipay yata.
Tuloy. Maylord, yung stand mo, stand. Stand. Para magamit. Tatalian natin.
Kung nasasako na tayo ba yun? Ilabas mo natin yung speaker. Nandito tayo. Ayaw yung ilabas.
That's where the dream it never do or it mess you big. And I don't wanna miss a thing. Don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna sleep for it mess you big. And I don't wanna miss a thing.
Parang inchika.
Walang gagawin.
Dalawa kayo ng saros. Ay! Dalawa kayo tumiran yan eh.
Tagalog yun.
Hindi.
Tuloy.
Yan yan.
Wala na. Push.
Hindi